Good evening. Today I am here with a new topic, with a new story. Every day I try to describe a story how a man can improve English communication through the storytelling. Story is an art and people like story. When you will record your story, so day by day your improvement will be so fast. Let's go through the story. So it is the story of husband and wife. One night husband told to his wife, do you know, I listen, women are more talented, but I did not see any talent of you. Can you show me any talent? So this lady told, yes, women are talented, but I did not show you my talent. It is my personal matter, but I can show you. He told, please show me your talent. So she told, okay, don't worry, I will show you talent. But tell me tomorrow where you will go and which field you will go for working. So he told that's field. So what happened? Nighttime wife, she managed a fish. And she dig inside a field. One morning time, husband went this field and he was working in this field. So that time he got a fish inside of clay. He was very happy and it was a very big size fish. He came his house and told her wife, take it this fish. She asked, where did you find this fish? He told, I got this fish under the clay in our field. So make it after completing my work, we will both together, we will take this fish. She told, okay, you can go now. So he went work. He was working very joy and very happily. Today I will take a very good lunch. But she threw the fish and she made very normal vegetable for him. When he came back from field and he take bath, after that he told, please give me food, I am so hungry. So she served food and when she gave a normal vegetable, he told, where is fish? So she told, you did not bring any fish from market, how can I cook for you? He told, I brought a fish from field and I gave you. So she told, no, where did you find fish? You did not give me any fish, because field is not a water area, it is totally dry field. How possible fish there? He was very angry and he beat his wife very badly. So, and she was crying and she also complained to the main person of place. My husband always beat me, and actually he complained brother of husband. And she told, brother, your brother always tried to beat me without any reason. I need justice and you have to give me proper explanation. Otherwise, I will complain in police station. He told, don't worry, today night time I will go your home and I will listen the matter. And as per promise, he went his brother home and asked, why do you beat your wife? What is the matter? He told, "Brother, do you know? Morning time I gave her one fish, but he did not give me fish curry and she gave me very normal vegetable." He told, "From where did you bring enough fish?" He told, "When I was working in my field, there under the clay, I got this fish." He told, "You are crazy. It is the summer. It is the summer season, and our land it is so high. There is a fish is not possible. How you will find fish in this field and under the clay? You are crazy. You are very mental." And he told his small brother many more things, and also even beat him also little bit. Then he understood and told, "Okay, I understood the talent of woman." And one night time, he was sleeping with his wife. He very politely asked, tell me, what did you do, fish?" She told, "Again, I will call your brother." He told, please, I don't need." Then again, after a long time, again he asked, "Please tell me, what did you do the fish?" She told, "Do you want to listen?" Yes. She told, "You asked me, show me your talent, so it is my talent. So it is just only one. If I show you all, so think what will happen." So now this man understood what is the talent. So that type of idea, that type of conspiracy, women are more expert. They can do everything. We know that type of things our daily life. So my dear friend, it is moral of the story. Women are more talent in some particular area. But now you listen. You saw me how I define or describe a story. Maybe my style is not so amazing, but I deliver. And I believe when I will do it regularly, one day I will be a good storyteller also. Because practice makes a man perfect. So dear friend, you also, if you want to improve your English communication, so start self-practice. It is a very good way to self-practice. If you know how you will build your confidence. In previous time, when people not have a record system, that time people used to mirror for speaking. They hour and hour practice front of the mirror. But nowadays we have a miracle boon in our hand. Just open your mobile and record yourself. How am I speaking? What is my style? And how can I bring a huge change in my conversation? How can I deliver my thought very calmly and very good way? Maybe beginning of the time it is so hard for you, but do it, and believe me, you will find a good change in your daily life. You will increase your confidence. In English journey, confidence matter 80%. Many of the person know English, but lack of confidence, they can't speak, they feel hesitation, they think, when I will speak, maybe I will make mistake. For this fear, they never try to communicate. They never try to show their skill. Their dream, their aim hide in their heart. So my dear friend, if you have a craze to improve your English communication, so start do this and try to record yourself, try to bring improve and try to make yourself confident. One day you will become a good and great speaker. So for today, this is enough. Tomorrow we will meet with a new topic, with a new video. If you like my video, comment, share, subscribe and give me support. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.